Greetings, dear learners. I am Pooja Ramavtar Sharma, Faculty of Fine Arts at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. This video is based on how to crack the NIFT examination. But before that, we will be understanding what is NIFT examination, like exam pattern, famous colleges, fee structure, salary package, and how to crack the NIFT examination also. First of all, question arises, what is NIFT? National Institution of Fashion Technology, shortly called as NIFT, was founded in the year 1986. It was set up in 1986 under the aegis of the Ministry of Textile Government India, and it is an institution of design management for the international fashion business. NIFT is the first design institute in India that can award its own degree. The National Institution of Fashion Technology (NIFT) conducts the NIFT entrance exam to shortlist for admission to its designing programs such as Bachelor of Design, Bachelor of Fashion Technology, Master of Design, Master of Fashion Management, and Master of Fashion Technology. The exam pattern for the NIFT admission 2022 in different courses is such as the candidate need to appear for the both NIFT CAT and NIFT GAT exam only for B Design and M Design course admission. Regarding the same, the official website of NIFT entrance exam informs that on the basis of the result of NIFT written test like GAT and CAT, B Design's candidate will be called for second test called situation test for the BF technology. GAT will be final test for the selection. The candidate for the M designing will take CAT and GAT on the basis of the result of GAT and CAT in the case of M designing, and the GAT in case of MF technology. Candidate will be called for the personal interview. Fees for NIFT entrance exam. Application fee 2000 for the journal and 1000 rupees for SC, ST, PWD, OBC. Mode of examination pen and paper. Application mode online. Exam duration 3 hours. First paper of NIFT is CAT, Creative Ability Test. This exam is conducted for the admission in B Design and M Design programs only. In this session, question will be asked by judge. The design ability and the power of the observation in concept development of the candidate. An important aspect of the test is to innovations and creative use of colors and illustration skill. Candidates have to use their imagination skills and work on their drawing skills also to create a new idea by using colors. Second paper of NIFT is GAT, Journal Ability Test. In GAT, the questions are asked from the various sections which are quantitative ability. This subtest is designed to test the quantitative ability of the candidate. The exam includes questions on addition, multiplication, division, percentage, rate of interest, and ratios, fractions. Second is English comprehension. This test aims to test the candidate ability to comprehend a situation from a given passage and test of basic English languages. Third exam is communication ability. This sub-test is aimed at testing the language ability of the candidate in day-to-day communication in English language. Fourth session is current affair and GK. This sub-test is designed to test of the candidate general knowledge and current affair. Fifth is case study. This exam will be based on a situation of an industry environment. It helps to the candidate managerial ability in their particular situation day-to-day life. To crack the examination, then please go through the previous 10-year question papers for the NIFT examination. Then you get knowledge of syllabus of NIFT. You have to be good at art if you want to be scored well in NIFT examination. If you are just beginner, you have to focus making yourself artistic skills better. Other than that, I believe English play a very important role. If you can express your thoughts well in English, it definitely helps you to score good marks in the examination of NIFT. Admission in NIFT. NIFT is the national level entrance test. NIFT is conducted to offer admission in undergraduation programs and post-graduation also. Undergraduation education degrees are Bachelor in Design, Bachelor in Fashion Design, Bachelor in Leather Design, Bachelor in Textile Design, Bachelor in Fashion Communication, Bachelor of Fashion Technology, BF Technology, Foundation program also. Now, some post-graduation degrees are Master in Design, Masters in Fashion Technology, Masters in Fashion Management. It provides doctoral education also, PhD for full-time and part-time also. NIFT currently has 17 campuses spread across the country. The first campus at New Delhi was established in 1986. The name of more campuses are National Institution of Fashion Technology in New Delhi, National Institution of Fashion Technology in Tamil Nadu, National Institution of Fashion Technology in Gujarat, National Institution of Fashion Technology in Hyderabad, National Institution of Fashion Technology in West Bengal, National Institution of Fashion Technology in Mumbai, National Institution of Fashion Technology in Bhopal, National Institution of Fashion Technology in Kerala, National Institution of Fashion Technology in Meghalaya, National Institution of Fashion Technology in Bihar, National Institution of Fashion Technology in Himachal Pradesh, National Institution of Fashion Technology in Odisha, National Institution of Fashion Technology in Rajasthan also. Eligibility criteria. In designing, fashion designing courses, you should complete 12 board examination in any stream like commerce, science, arts or other courses. For recognize the university, your age should be below 23 years. Then only you are eligible for the NIFT examination. For BF Technology, you should complete 12 board examination in science stream. For recognized university, you should have the subject like physics, chemistry and maths. Your age should be below 23. The candidate having a diploma degree like 10 plus 3 or 10 plus 4 are also eligible for applying for NIFT. The age limitation is NIFT 23 year for general candidate. For SC, ST, PWD, there is an age relaxation up to 25. Candidate appearing the final year qualification also eligible for applying the NIFT admissions. Career in design under bachelor programs like B Designing, BF Technology is a 4-year degree offered by NEED, UC, NIFT and other leading design institutions in India. They offer variety of disciplines in undergraduate program, career in design for students who wish to pursue design courses in these leading colleges should start planning as early as possible and of the 10th standard. Students should be clear about which design field they are going to opt for after 12th standard. Studies according to your creativity interest. You should choose the subject in 11th standard also. Design in career guidance and planning is a proof to exist child observation ability creative in career of design is gaining equal popularity and scope in comparison to conversation courses like engineering, medical, etc. The field of designing is also having good placement and income just like other fields. The most successful students are the one who breathe and live fashion every day. The one who choose the courses but do not dedicate the time generally end up in back end of fashion industries. So if you are made about fashion, then yes. If not, but yet want to study design, please explore other options including product designing like fashion designing, leather designing, fashion communication, product textile design, lifestyle accessory designs. In industrial design, you can adopt furniture designing, interior designing, glass designing, civil construction, graphic designing, animation designing, film and video communications, photography designing, etc. Placements at NIFT. NIFT has 100% placement record all through the average salary package offered is 15 LPA. Many companies provide opportunity and also every student get an opportunity to showcase their talent in front of companies. NIFT has been ranked as the best fashion institute in India. It's different from branch to branch and a lot of factories are involved. A lot of good companies have come in the past who have given good package as a fashion designers. 3.5 lakh for the freshers in the fashion industries is an average to the start. One or two from the entire batch can get a package of 20 plus. To start with, they are heard by few large format online retailers also. But in NIFT campus placement, the salary can go up to 10 lakh to 15 lakh or even more. Within 5 plus year experience of work is might to be do double again. It all depends on how flexible you are. The National Institution of Fashion Technology follows a centralized placement process for UG and PG programs in April every year. The college focuses on innovations, idea and skills to step into an era of fashion. So the students are trained in art, design, clothing and style, etc. What is the salary of NIFT graduates? Employee who graduate from National Institution of Fashion Technology NIFT on an average 2.18 lakh, mostly range from the 5 lakh per year. Based on 818 profiles, the top 10% of employees earn more than 35 lakhs per year. I hope you have understood the career option in the field of NIFT. Choosing fashion as a career is very good for the student interested in fashion, and NIFT is the one of the best college where you can take admission in bachelor and master's degree. There is also diploma courses for the graduate. If you want to move on this career path, you can definitely take admission in NIFT college.